Graph y equals 4 times 2 to the x. Now, looking at this, we know that this is exponential growth, which is going to look like this. So probably the easiest thing to do is pick a couple values, right? Pick a couple x values, plug it in, see what happens. Okay, so why don't I pick x values of -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we'll go from there. Okay, nothing crazy about exponential functions and graphing them. For the most part, it's a matter of understanding the behavior and just graphing it. So if I were to plug in -1, that would get me, and let me show myself some more space, 4 times 2 to the -1 power, which is going to be 4 times, let's drop that down to the bottom, 4 times a half is 2. Okay, so plugging in -1 gets me 2, -1 gets me 2. Now we're going to see patterns emerge pretty quickly, which is going to make our life easier, and maybe we could stop using this table over here. 4 times 2 to the 0 is going to be 4 times 1, which is going to be 4. So I get the point 0, 4. 4 times 2 to the first is going to equal 4 times 2, which is 8. So the pattern that you might start seeing is, well, wait a minute. This is exponential. That's my multiplier. These guys are just doubling every time. So without having to do anything, I know that you're going to be 16. So if I plug in 2, I get 16, so that guy right there. If I plug in 3, that's going to be 32, way too much space. Now, going backwards then, if moving to the right 1 unit doubles my number, then moving to the left 1 unit halves my number. So 2 becomes 1, moving to the left 1 space. 1 becomes a half, half becomes a quarter, and now we start seeing my line hover the x-axis. So you look like you. Here's the part where I'm going to ruin everything and try to draw this out. Okay, so we hover nicely, hover nicely, hover nicely, start to increase, start to increase, start to increase, and everything is gone. And that's the best I can do. Oh, that was so good. I started out so strong, and then this happened. That happened. But you get the idea. You get the idea. It's supposed to look smooth. It clearly does not, but you get the idea. You draw your points, you draw your curve. In a perfect world, I know how to use this pen thing that's currently in my hand, but you know what? Hey, you get what you pay for, and you pay nothing unless you have YouTube Premium. In which case you pay like $9.99 a month? I don't know. Thanks for watching. Love you. Like and subscribe.